Hey there, Healing Foods community! Have you ever wondered why barley has been a staple in diets for thousands of years? It's not just versatile and delicious, it's also packed with incredible healing benefits, especially when viewed through the lens of Chinese medicine. Whether you're aiming to boost your digestion, support your energy levels, or enhance your overall well-being, barley has got you covered. Let's dive into the amazing world of barley and discover why it's a must-have in your healing journey. In traditional Chinese medicine, barley is celebrated for its ability to strengthen the spleen and stomach meridians. This means it helps improve digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and boost your overall energy levels. Feeling bloated or sluggish? A hearty barley dish can help restore balance and vitality in your body. But that's not all. Barley is also known to moisten dryness, making it perfect for soothing dry skin, lubricating joints, and easing dryness in the throat. Its high fiber content helps maintain moisture balance, keeping you hydrated and feeling great from the inside out. Let's talk detox. In Chinese medicine, barley is believed to clear heat and detoxify the body. This makes it an excellent choice for reducing inflammation, supporting liver health, and promoting a healthy complexion. Whether you're dealing with acne or feeling a bit inflamed, barley can help cleanse and rejuvenate your system. From a modern perspective, barley is a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamins B and E, minerals like magnesium and selenium, and antioxidants. It supports heart health, regulates blood sugar levels, and aids in weight management. Plus, it's incredibly versatile whether you're enjoying it in soups, salads, or as a side dish. Barley adds a hearty, nutritious boost to any meal. So, how can you incorporate this ancient grain into your daily routine? Try adding barley to your morning breakfast porridge, blending it into a nutritious smoothie, or tossing it into a vibrant salad for added texture and flavor. My personal favorite? A warm barley and vegetable stew with a mix of your favorite herbs, comforting, nourishing, and oh so delicious. Next time you cook with barley, remember it's not just a grain. It's a bundle of healing energy ready to enhance your well-being. Whether you're boosting your digestion, detoxifying your body, or nourishing your skin, barley is a fantastic addition to your healing journey. What's your favorite way to enjoy barley? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves food as medicine. See you next time on Healing Foods.